Hello student, the question says a rigid body rotates about a fixed axis with variable angular velocity equal to alpha minus beta t at time t where alpha and beta are constants. The total angle in radians through which it rotates before coming to rest. So as given the angular velocity omega as alpha minus beta t, and we need to find the total angle. Total angle means basically you can write total angular displacement. We know d theta by dt is nothing but omega, which is given as my alpha minus beta t. So I can simply write d theta equals to alpha minus beta t into dt. So let us try to integrate on the left side and right side. I'll integrate originally 0 to t. So let me take it as some 0 to theta only as my total angle traveled by the body. Or we can write theta initial minus theta final. Anything is fine. So we can write theta equals to integral alpha into dt. So integral alpha into dt minus integral beta t into dt. So if I do it here, theta equals to alpha into integral dt minus beta into integral t dt. So we'll write theta equals to alpha into t minus beta into t power 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1. So beta t square by 2. So finally we got this value. Even if you substitute 0 to t, you'll get the same expression. So basically we got theta equals to alpha t minus beta t square by 2. So let me take it to the next slide. So this is the expression for theta we got. And we know omega is anyway alpha minus beta t. This question is not to find the theta expression. We need to find the question is find total angle through which it rotates before coming to rest. What's the meaning of coming to rest? Coming to rest simply implies omega to be 0. So if I equate 0 equals to alpha minus beta t, so I'll get t equals to beta t equals to alpha. So which implies t equals to alpha by beta. Substitute that alpha by beta here. So theta into alpha by beta minus beta by 2 into alpha by beta whole square. So you'll simply get alpha square by beta minus beta by 2 into alpha square by beta square. Out of two betas, one beta we can cancel it out. So I'll get alpha square by beta minus alpha square by 2 beta. So it would be alpha square by beta if I get common. 1 minus 1 by 2, full pizza minus half pizza would be half pizza. So you'll get alpha square by beta into 2. So which would be my option 1, alpha square by 2 beta. Again, I will repeat, omega is given to us. We found theta expression. We no need to write 0 to theta, 0 to t and all these things also, because it is not that complicated problem. We'll directly we'll integrate it. After integrating, we write both the expressions obtained. Coming to rest means omega equals to 0. Once we got omega equals to 0, we substituted everything and found the required thing. Hope you understood how I have solved.